Come test drive the 2017 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, rear wiper, heated seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.